Is your Chevy Traverse failing to turn over or clicking when you turn the key? Statistically, 70% of starting issues on this model trace back to a simple battery or terminal problem. Let's walk through the steps to isolate the fault. Start by checking your battery voltage and ensuring your terminals are free of corrosion and tightly connected. If the battery is solid, focus on the starter, the ignition fuse, or the ignition switch itself. Don't rule out the neutral safety switch or a security system lockout triggered by a faulty key fob. You can easily handle basic electrical checks, but internal component failures are best left to the professionals. Here is the typical cost breakdown for the most frequent repairs on these Traverse models. Use a scanner to check for immobilizer codes and test for signal voltage directly at the starter solenoid. Keep a basic digital multimeter and an OBD2 scanner in your trunk to handle these diagnostics anywhere. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching the starter to avoid accidental shorts. If this helped you get back on the road, subscribe for more Traverse troubleshooting guides.